Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access to the router and the Wi-Fi password. This matters because you may change settings. Once done, pick the device you'll use, phone, tablet, or laptop, and make sure WhatsApp is disabled or uninstalled to avoid background traffic. Next, choose alternative communication apps like Signal or email and check their data behavior. Make sure to note any mobile data caps versus Wi-Fi limits, because you want reliable messaging without WhatsApp interfering. Now configure the network so your device stays connected. Assign a static IP or DHCP reservation, which prevents drops during reboots. Then, adjust router co-s to prioritize messaging and essential browsing traffic so latency stays low. Install your chosen apps, Signal, Telegram, or email clients, and verify accounts with 2FA where available. This protects identity and syncing. Once configured, make test messages, file transfers, and voice calls to confirm audio quality and delivery times before moving to final cleanup steps. Finish by removing WhatsApp traces. Uninstall the app, clear cache, and revoke any network or notification permissions so it can't reconnect. Then run a full workflow test, send messages, make a voice call, and transfer a file to confirm everything routes over your Wi-Fi as intended. If things go wrong, reboot the router and device first, then check DNS settings and whether a VPN or firewall is blocking your new apps. If problems persist, reset network settings and reconfigure one step at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.